Alright, what we got here today is a cam lock sander. Get your little wrench here. I'm gonna lay it on its back. You got these little square tabs. Little square tabs, what you're gonna do, the little notch right there, you're gonna have it facing towards you on both of them. And then you're gonna take your paper, you gotta make your folds in it. Like so. Do both sides. You're going to slide that paper in there. Make sure you get it even, covering the red pad. And those little notches I mentioned before, what you're going to do is you're going to turn them into each other where the notch goes backwards, facing toward the shaft. Once you have that done, you're going to roll that around, make sure it's nice and tight. Make sure there's none of the red pad exposed. At any point, whenever you're using this, the paper tears or rips, be sure to change it. Be sure to remove any nails that may be in the floor sticking up. Your bag here, when it gets half full, be sure to empty it outside, or do not put it in a garbage can or a garbage bag, because it can cause a fire. And then of course you're going to plug it in. Got your on and off switch there, and that's how you put the paper on.